Welcome to WebStalvers. Did you know that you can recover your deleted posts from Facebook? Deleted posts go to the trash or recycle bin on Facebook. You can access the recycle bin or trash and restore deleted posts. I'm going to delete this post from Facebook and then recover it. So I'll click Move to Trash and the post was deleted. And immediately we see a message here, moving post to your trash. And from here we can go to trash. But if you lose this message or pop-up, to recover the deleted post, click on your profile picture. Then select Settings and Privacy. Click Activity Log. Scroll down and click on Trash. Select the deleted post and click Restore. Just like so. And the deleted post will reappear on your profile. Okay, so I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.